So, hi guys, today we will start new content on this channel. Will be about robotics and how have fun with this. So today we will start from mBot, mBot, I guess one, because now it's also a new version of this. So I have like Explorer kit, which have like some basic stuff inside, but also I have some extra stuff to do with this robot. So I'm happy to explain this for you guys. So today we will start of like creating our basic robot. So in our kit we have these things. This is like chased with wheels and motors, two motors, two wheels. Also in our kit we have mBoard, mBrain, I can say this, like main board, mCore in our instructions. Ultrasonic sensor, lane follow sensor, which can follow the lane, because we have also big paper with our lane follower map. This is in our Explore kit gate we have this name for this one. Also in our kit we have battery holder, and also we have some nut and crips, I don't know how to say this, but and mini wheel. So I'm excited to make this robot with you guys, so let's do it. Say more about mCore. This is like plate like this. On one side you have power switch. Also you have motor connectors. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 pot. Other side you have 2, 3, 4 pot. There you have reset button. It's also buzzer inside. Infrared receiver, light button, RGB lights, and battery, of course. Also is AA battery holder port, power switch, I told you, and that's it. It's like core of our robot. Very interesting, more details soon, of course. Okay, so after connecting all pieces we have robot like this. I really like it. It's like smiling face. So it's it's okay. No, okay. So I don't have my velo strips there, so my battery will be like, oh no, what happened, what's going on? But don't worry, you're supposed to have this in your kit. I don't know where is mine, to be honest. It's okay. So also after you build your robot, you should download like IDL for this. So there will be like mBlock for your mRobot, of course. I recommend, from my opinion, like mBlock PC version. Also you can code with blocks or Python in your web version, but first I will focus at the Windows or Mac version. I already have this one, so this is very similar to Scratch. And you have like blocks which you could like take from that side to this side and just put and create your code. And more about code will be in future vlogs. This is like introduction for this. Not very hard stuff, it's like basic stuff, to be honest. Like, I think it will be very fun. I like robots, so I'm excited to share my passion with you guys. And I hope you liked my video. If you like it, give me a like and comment, of course. So yeah, see you soon.